Listen, exactly 30 days from today, you can be making good sums of money working from home if you pay attention to the skills I want to talk to you about in today's video. Or you can choose to continue scrolling TikTok every single day, wasting your time and your data bundle. So with these skills I'm sharing with you today, you can learn all three of them in just 30 days. This means that 30 days can actually change your life for better. Now, you can commit 10 days to learn every single skill, and then in 30 days, you'll become a digital professional, somebody that will be valuable to companies, things you can put on your CV so that you can find high-paying jobs, all right? Skills that can help you provide value for businesses. And for every single skill, I will give you a direct access to a full course which is free for you to go and then watch those courses and acquire the practical skills for yourself. Now, let's go into skill number one. Skill number one that I want us to focus on has to do with meta ads. Every business is looking for sales. Every single business. So instead of wasting time, you have to learn how to bring sales to these businesses. I'll be sharing in the comment section a video from Professor Charlie T that is a full meta ads tutorial that allows you to learn from beginner to a master level how to run profitable ads for the companies. Because any company you work to, if you can bring them real results, real profits, it means that they'll be willing to pay you some good sums of money. Skill number two is the commonest one, that is Canva. Now, a lot of people are using Canva for good reasons and are making good sums of money working from home. From flyer designs, logo designs, core card designs, and so many forms of designs. Even art creative designs. If you can learn and master Canva, it will take you just about a week if you commit a lot of time. If you master Canva, you can start charging people. Christmas is coming. Christmas is around the corner and businesses want flyers for Merry Christmas, Happy New Year flyers, videos to celebrate Christmas. And if you can do these things with Canva, these businesses want to actually pay you real money. In the comment section, I've shared a video from Natalia where she takes you through a step-by-step video course on how you can acquire basics to master level knowledge in Canva so that your computer or your smartphone can become very useful for you. The final skill I want you to focus on has to do with web design. You can start learning web design with WordPress and Elementor. If you commit the next 10 days, spend hours learning this tutorial I'll be sharing in the comment section from Rafi, it means that you will be able to learn from the basics of web design to the mastery level on how to build professional websites for businesses, and businesses will be willing to pay you for this. Now, if you're able to master all these three things that I've talked about, from Canva to meta ads and then web design, it means that you can actually take full charge the digital aspect of any business. That makes you more valuable. Your CV is going to be upgraded, and businesses will find more value in you no matter the field that you have. So no matter the education, no matter your background, it is very important that you are able to commit, lock in for the next 30 days, and then access these free tutorials I've given you. These free courses will help you acquire the skills, and these skills will definitely make you valuable and ready for 2026. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.